We are driving through Zion National Park. This is Aurora with SuperchargedScience.com, homeschool science resources and curriculum for K through 12. And we are on a family adventure across the country. We've been going to different parks like Yellowstone and Bryce Canyon and more, just doing simple, easy experiments. We've done microscopes, we've done astronomy, we've done geology, life and biology, and earth science, just by being out here in the real world. Wow, look at that. We're just driving along, and I wanted to share my best information about how to get kids interested and excited about the real world simply by getting on the road. So we thought this would be a fun family adventures to share with my family, from my family to yours, and hope you've enjoyed being with us so far. And just wanted to take you on a quick little tour through Zion as we drive through together here. Now, Bryce Canyon looked quite a bit different than Zion. Can you tell the difference? Again, you're seeing a lot of limestone here, and the red, and actually the road itself in front of us, the road we're driving on, also has a red tint. And the red's going to be the iron mineral that's inside. All right, well, keep track of us and our progress by checking my Facebook page and checking my Instagram. And if you have any questions, you can always let us know. I want to encourage you to go to my website, www.superchargedscience.com, to download the free guide I have on what exactly you should be teaching your kids during the school year for each grade level to make sure you don't miss out on anything. And there's also a guidebook in there you can download for free, and it'll walk you through all the steps of what you need to know when you are teaching your kids science. All right, I will see you soon. This is Aurora with SuperchargedScience.com.